Assalamu alaikum. Welcome everyone. I am Muzaffar Bashir Khan. Today the topic under discussion is hole burning effect. It's topic about laser physics. First of all, we define what is hole burning effect. Distortion of gain shape of lasing medium caused by the saturation effect of standing or stationary waves is called hole burning effect. Hole burning effect can also be defined as the frequency selective bleaching of the absorption spectrum of a material which leads to an increased transmission of spectral hole at the selected frequency. For this hole burning effect, two basic requirements must be met for the phenomena to be achieved, to be observed. The first one is spectrum is inhomogeneously broadened. To achieve the hole burning effect, spectrum broadening should be inhomogeneous. And the second requirement, the material undergoes subsequent to light absorption a modification which changes its absorption spectrum. Typical material include dye molecules dissolved in suitable host matrix. Host matrix mean the material in which we dissolve this medium, this material, that's called host matrix. Frequency selective irradiation is usually realized by a narrow band laser. Most molecules and atoms always return from the excited state to the initial ground state, but in some situation this may not happen. It's a particular special case. For example, some organic dye molecules can undergo a photochemical reaction which changes the whole chemical structure of the molecule. If such a photochemically active molecule absorbs light, then with the probability of a few percent it will not return to the initial ground state, but will rather switch over to a new product ground state. It is a special case in which material will not come back to the initial ground state, but it will go to another state. Often the homogeneous absorption spectrum of the new product is much different from that of the initial, and the corresponding inhomogeneous bands do not overlap. When opposite direction light waves are superimposed or superposed, they produce standing waves or stationary waves. These standing waves have two effects on the laser gain medium. The gain is saturated in the antinode region of the pattern, and the resulting amplification is dominated by the excitation density in the antinodes. This produces deformation in the spectral shape of the gain. It is spectral hole burning in the laser medium. There are three different colors: blue, red and green. We will explain here. The above figure shows spectral hole burning in a laser medium. A strong beam with blue standing wave saturates the gain or red wave. It experiences more strongly reduced gain than the green curve correspond to a weaker beam with slightly different wavelengths. These are the consequences of hole burning for laser operation. Hole burning effect can make it difficult to achieve single frequency laser operation with standing waves laser cavities because lasing medium experiences stronger gain saturation. Due to gain saturation, you cannot achieve a single frequency laser operation. Number two, the effective broadening of the gain spectrum is also produced. Number 3, when spectral hole burning occurs in the saturable absorber section, this effect tends to stabilize single frequency operation. And number 4 is hole burning can reduce laser efficiency. The hole burning effect can be eliminated by using ring shaped cavity and by using spectral polarization states in linear cavity. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.